Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to transfer Solana domain to new wallet. Now, since this website Bonfida is currently glitching out for me, I will have to show you with a couple of screenshots, but yeah, bear with me. So the first thing you have to do is connect your wallet. Make sure you're connecting your Phantom wallet. Then after you connected your Phantom wallet and everything is here, you can go to the wallet, click on the wallet, and then you will see view profile or view wallet. You can click on view profile and then you will see your domain, right? Once you have your domain, down below you will see a couple of options to send your domain. Basically you can click on to send your domain, and then you will have to copy your Phantom wallet address and you will have to paste it in that address where they need your address, and then you just paste it there, and that's pretty much it. And that's how it is. That's how you can connect your Solana domain to your new wallet. And whenever someone is searching for your wallet, they will be able to see that domain is connected with your wallet. So that's pretty much how to do it. Again, this website can be glitched out sometimes, so make sure that you're using it the correct way. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. That's how to transfer Solana domain to new wallet. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.